I'm going to host the show on the evening, on the 6th evening. I'd like to put it all together for these 14, 15, 16 or even more maybe or less. But they are about, when I was reading about it when Raj told me, and I think Rav has started designing it, there are about 16 performances mixed with Indian and international artists. And of course, there are Bollywood regular performances also, which are going to be irregular because they're going to be shot in a different way and showcased in a different way. So I'm going to put it all together as a host. I think, you know, I'll tell you the interest when Raj and the whole team from Colors told me about it. I was just happy to be a part of it and, you know, just all bind it together. I really don't have the kind of talent the guys and girls who are going to perform on the stage have. So मैं थोड़ा सा बैक स्टेज पे रह के पीछे अच्छा सूट वूट पहन के बातचीत करके आप लोगों को बाइंड कर दूंगा इस शो में, because I think it's an important platform not only for Indian talent to be showcased worldwide. I think it's also important for the exposure of Indian talent to see what the world talent has reached, and not only just in music and dance, but the different variety of things that Rav and I'm sure the team, they go out and choose. And I myself am, you know, when I get extremely an entertainer sometimes is bereft of entertainment for himself or herself. For me, this is one of the most entertaining evenings that I'll have. I'll be able to watch some of the greatest things and you know, be able to host it and put it all together for you. क्या अपने इंडियन लोग चारों तरफ फैले हुए हैं. So when we have this kind of a show, I think the world will be able to see what the Indians and what everyone in our culture can do, and I think that's amazing. It's an amazing platform. ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म हर कोने में, हमारी दुनिया में, हमारे देश में, दुनिया भर में कहीं ना कहीं पर हम में से हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट होता है और हमको मौका नहीं मिलता है हर किसी को कि वो टैलेंट को जो है शोकेस कर सके. एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज वंडर्ड, सम ऑफ अस गेट लकी लाइक आई डिड. आई हैड few opportunities, chances where I come from, New Rajendra Nagar in Delhi, where there was a Ram Leela, and there was a director in the Ram Leela, and he saw my talent and he cast me as a monkey, and which was a good enough start, whatever you cast as long as you get the platform. तो मैंने कई बार बोला है और फिर बोलूँगा, मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलता था, पहला पोर्शन नहीं, सेकंड पोर्शन, बोल सियापति रामचंद्र की, और मैं जय पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय with a long tail. But I got the opportunity. It gave me confidence that I can go and stand in front of hundreds and thousands of people. Actually, Ram Leela is very big in New Delhi, and I could go and perform there. And then slowly people started giving me opportunities to do.
For us, Shah Rukh Khan, you know, you can't get a bigger name in entertainment like Shah Rukh Khan. So for us, he's the face of world's Got Talent World Stage Live. More importantly, the way we are looking at this is not going to be a one-time event. We would like to do this year on year, and Shah Rukh will be associated with it throughout. That's the way we look at it.
और अगर मैं ठीक नहीं करूँ तो निकाल देना, तुम voting होती है. There's a voting pattern on the telephone. You can send your SMSs, and if you don't like him, Shah Rukh's got no votes, throw him out. मेरे हिसाब से जिस दिन आपको लगेगा कि आप टैलेंटेड हैं, उस दिन आप ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. I really believe this. मैं बहुत जेन्युइनली बोल रहा हूँ और बहुत सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ कि जब आदमी अपने आप में मुब्तला होने लग जाता है कि मुझको ये आता है, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. मैं 20-22 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, ठीक ठाक है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, ख़राब है, सही भी हो जाता है, बहुत टाइम पर ठीक पड़ जाता है. लेकिन अभी भी जब मैं खड़ा होता हूँ पहला सीन करने के लिए नई फिल्म में, तो मेरे जो घुटने हैं वो कांपते हैं. The day I feel I can go on a set, and I'm talking about personal experience, the day I can go and see I can break the 100-meter record, even for Usain Bolt. And I'm speaking of people that I've read about, and they all have the same thing. The fact that you don't understand your own talent, I think is the most beautiful space to be talented. The day you understand your talent and you think you're talented, then it's just a commodity that you're selling. So I think the best way to live life is not know what is special about you and remain ordinary as you are.